Good morning, dear students. I am Rambhuvan Kushwaha. Now, today I will teach you the first chapter of class 6 from tablet to tablet. In this chapter, the writer describes about tablet. So, now you are thinking what is the tablet? The meaning of the tablet is described in this chapter, and in short, I am telling about the tablet. Tablet is not a pills. Here, tablet is a plain surface area, and in modern era, tablet is computer, laptop, or small tablet like that. Now we start the first paragraph. One fine morning, a government accountant was hard at work. A farmer had to be paid. The accountant took up his curved reed stem and made wedge-shaped marks on a 9 centimeter piece of moist clay. One morning, a accountant was there, and that was the government accountant. He was at work and he was a hard worker. A farmer had to be paid, and there was a farmer, he had to be paid something. The accountant took up his curved reed stem. He took up a curved reed stem. Here, a curved reed stem is a sugar cane stem and made wedge-shaped marks on a 9 centimeter piece of moist clay. So, he made a wedge-shaped mark on a 9 centimeter on a moist clay. Here on a moist clay, he made a shape or a mark that was the wedge-shaped. He made a stick figure with a ration bowl for the man, and he also made a stick structure he made with a ration bowl. With a ration bowl means a bowl shaped like that. He made that was the ration bowl for the people. Then he made crescents for days and a rising sun between hills to record the time of the day. And after that, he also made the crescents. Crescent, the meaning of the crescent is given here in your chapter. So here is a curved shape like crescent moon. And he also made the crescent structure of the moon, rising sun between the hills to record the time of the day. Finally, as the men were paid in barley, he made upright jars for the payment. He then baked the piece off in a kiln fire to save it as an office memo. And then finally the men were paid in barley. The people were paid barley. Barley is a kind of grain. He made upright jars, and he also scratched upright jars. Jar is a kind of bowl, and he made a bowl shape, jar shape that was upright for the payment. He then baked the piece in a kiln fire. Here the meaning of kiln is a hearth, that is the furnace, or you can say in Hindi chulha. So he baked a piece in a hearth to save it as an office memo. As a memory of his office, he baked a piece in a hearth. 6,000 years later, his handiwork was found at an excavation site in Iraq. And after that, 6,000 years later, after 6,000 years, his handiwork means handcrafted work, was found and at an excavation site in Iraq. And that handicapped, whatever the man has prepared on a excavation site in Iraq means the in excavation site of Iraq, that structure, that scratch was found. This fragment, the clay tablet, this one of the oldest means of written communication in the world. And that fragment, that piece, that part of the structure, the scratch, the clay tablet, that was actually the clay tablet, on the on plain surface, that he scratched something, a structure of man, a bowl, a stick like that, that was found in excavation in the site of Iraq. And the clay tablet that was also found is one of the oldest means of written communication, and that became in the world, that became the written communication, and that was the oldest means of written communication in the world. That little clay tablet was as necessary then as a tablet, computer, iPad or laptop. That the structure or the scratch that was found in Iraq site, that was a little tablet, little clay tablet which was found, and that was necessary then as a tablet computer. And after that a tablet computer was made in India, in the world, and after that an iPad or laptop was also discovered. Writing has come full circle from tablet to tablet. Now we have database in the computer and applications that organize and record the data. Now writing has come full circle. Writing became the full circle. That writing, what was discovered earlier in early age, from tablet to tablet, and which became in circle tablet to tablet. Now we have database, and in modern era, in modern generation, we have database, computer applications that organize and record the data. They have replaced that ancient accountant system, and whatever the thing that was discovered earlier, which came in the place of modern, or which came in the modern system, it has been an exciting journey of human inquiry and invention, and which became the discovery of modern man became an invention that was that became the journey or exciting invention for the man. Now in the next paragraph, without written communication, the human world could not have existed. Actually, the word tablet comes from the ancient Hebrew word tevel, or the word linguists also link it came from the Latin tabula, meaning board or flat table. It was in 1984 that we got the term tablet computer for the exciting new cool tool of human communication. Since then, tablet have become man's best digital friend. In this paragraph, the meaning of the word tablet is described by the author. Without written communication, the human world could not have existed. Without written communication, in early age, the human had discovered written communication, sketched, and the people of the modern era had discovered written communication. That became, and without this discovery, the existence of human being cannot be existed. And actually, the word tablet comes from the ancient, and the word tablet, which came from the ancient Hebrew, and Hebrew, it is a kind of language in ancient era, and which means tavel. Or the word linguist also think, and the linguist here, the meaning of the linguist is given here in your chapter, linguist, people who study about language. So linguist also think it came from the Latin tabula, and linguist, according to linguist, they think that the word tablet came from the Latin word, Latin language, tabula, meaning board, which means the meaning of the tablet, according to linguist, board or flat table. It was in 1984 that we got the term tablet computer, and in 1984 we got the term tablet computer for the exciting new cool tool of human communication, and which became the human communication, which became the tool of the human communication. Since then, tablet have become man's best digital friend. And after that, when they discovered this tablet, and that after that it became man's best digital friend.